Hello guys, welcome to my channel LogicBytesbyAK. So those who are interested to know the solution of insert the greatest common divisor in linked list, I am sure that you have chosen the correct video. So let's go into the description of the problem. So given a head of linked list head in which each node contains an integer value, so between every pair of adjacent nodes, insert a new node with the value of greatest common divisor of them. Return the linked list after insertion. So here we are giving a head of linked list and it contains some nodes, integer nodes. So we have to find a GCD of adjacent nodes and we have to insert that value in between them, right? So let's understand the problem in more detail with an example. So let's say we have this example. And the first thing we have to do is we have to find uh, GCD node. We have to insert GCD node for every pair, right? So we have here one pair here and here one and here one, right? So we have and and also we need two pointers, right? Our current pointer and our next pointer, so that we can get both two values and we find GCD value and we create a node and we insert them, right? That's what we have to do, and we have to move. After that, we have to move our current pointer to this and our next pointer to this, right? So, and we have to find GCD for these two pairs. We find these two pairs and we insert it here, sorry, here. So we insert it here, and after that, we have to shift our current pointer to the next node, right? So, yeah, we can do that. Okay, let's say we have two pointers, current and the next pointer. By using GCD function, we find GCD of these two values. We get the 6 and we create a node of 6 and we insert them in between them. How can we insert? First, we have to store next address in new node next, right? And after that, new node address should be stored in current pointer, right? And we have to move our current pointer to new pointer, right? Because we have to find the next pair. It means we have to shift this current pointer to here, right? And sorry, and we have to move our new pointer to current dot next, which is it should be 10, right? So let's assume that this is not present. It will be. Let's think of this pointer, right? And we find a GCD of this current and new next, and we insert the node in between them, right? I hope you understand the approach, and let's go into the coding part. So let's start the coding solution. So we need our current pointer, right? Current pointer would be head, and we need next pointer, right? Let's say head dot next. So let's say we have one node. If we have one node, what will be the next? Next will be null, right? So if next is null, we have only one node. For that, what we have to do? We have to return current node itself because there are no pairs from that. We have to stop, right? So we return current variable. So we have to iterate for every node, right? So while current node equal to 0, and we need a next variable, next node, right? Our next will be current dot next up to where we have to iterate if our current is next. I mean, sorry, if next is equal to null, it means we reach to the last node. And if we reach it to the last node, we have to break, and, and then what we have to do, we have to find a GCD of current and next pointers, right? So, and we have to store it in a new node. Let's create a new node, new this node of, let's take a function, define a function which is GCD of temp dot value, comma, next dot value. So let me define a function which is integer return type GCD, which takes, sorry, GCD which takes two parameters, and you know the basic function, basic GCD code, right? So whenever our day equal to 0, return me, will say return GCD of p comma a mod p. So we get a new node. And what we have to do, we have to append new node dot next with next, and we have to store current dot next with a new node. Now after that we have to move our current value, current pointer to next pointer, right? And at last we have to return our head. So let's see, I think that will be the code. So let me just run it. Sorry, here it's not temp, it's current. And current dot value, and yeah, it accepted, and let's submit the code. It accepted, and it is that, yeah, it works well. Like 100%. Let's check the complexity. So, there is a technical issue. So that's it for today, guys, and see you in the video. So if you like the content, please share it to your friends. It might be helpful to them. So thanks for watching.